If you've ever struggled with drilling or fastening in tight spaces, or found yourself constantly switching between tools for different jobs, you might appreciate a compact, versatile solution that doesn't compromise on power. Imagine a drill that balances mobility, durability, and efficiency, allowing you to work confidently whether you're on a professional job site or completing DIY projects at home. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're examining the Dewalt 20 volts MAX Cordless Drill Driver Set, model DCD777D1. This compact drill is designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable, high-performance tool in a lightweight, maneuverable package. If you often work in tight spaces, tackle a variety of fastening and drilling applications, or need compatibility across your existing 20 volts MAX * tool ecosystem, this drill is immediately relevant for you. The purchase link is conveniently available in the description and pinned comment. At its core, the Dewalt DCD777D1 delivers a thoughtful combination of power, precision, and ergonomics. Its brushless motor enhances runtime and longevity, while the two-speed transmission and single-sleeve ratcheting chuck provide versatility for different materials and applications. From installing shelving to building furniture or completing maintenance tasks around the home, this drill stands out for its balance of size, weight, and performance. Here are 7 reasons why it may be a strong addition to your toolkit. Reason number 1. Compact yet powerful design. Measuring just 7.6 inches from front to back, this drill easily fits into tight spaces where larger tools struggle. Despite its compact size, it delivers 340 UWO of torque, enabling effective performance on wood, metal, and plastics. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, it offers a balance of portability and raw power that makes it highly practical for both home and professional use. Reason number 2. Brushless motor for extended runtime. The brushless motor significantly reduces energy loss, allowing longer runtimes compared to brushed motors. This translates to more work completed per battery charge and less wear over time, which is especially important for users who rely on their tools daily or in environments where battery changes must be minimized. It's an efficient, long-term solution for sustained performance. Reason number 3. Two-speed transmission for versatility. With high and low speed settings, this drill adapts to a variety of tasks. The lower speed provides torque for driving screws and bolts, while the higher speed allows for faster drilling in softer materials. This two-speed functionality gives users greater control and precision without needing multiple tools, making it ideal for mixed projects. Reason number 4. Single-sleeve ratcheting chuck. The 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck simplifies bit changes, keeping them secure during operation while reducing slippage. It accommodates a wide range of bit sizes and types, which adds flexibility when switching between drilling, fastening, or assembly tasks. This practical design feature enhances efficiency and minimizes frustration on the job. Reason number 5. Ergonomic comfort and control. Dewalt designed the DCD777D1 with an ergonomic handle that balances the tool in the hand, reducing fatigue during extended use. Its lightweight construction complements the grip, allowing steady control even in vertical or overhead applications. For professionals and DIYers alike, this design ensures consistent results with less strain. Reason number 6. Integrated LED light. The built-in LED light includes a 20-second trigger release delay, providing illumination for dimly lit work areas. This feature improves visibility in cabinets, attics, or corners, enabling precise placement of screws and drill holes without the need for auxiliary lighting. It's a thoughtful touch that demonstrates attention to real-world user needs. Reason number 7. Long-term value and ecosystem compatibility. As part of the Dewalt 20 volts MAX * battery platform, this drill shares batteries with other Dewalt tools, enhancing versatility for users who already own compatible equipment. The set includes a 2.0 Ah battery and charger, offering immediate readiness for projects. Combined with a 3-year limited warranty, it represents a reliable, long-term investment. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, it delivers sustained performance and convenience over years of use. Final verdict. The Dewalt 20 volts MAX DCD777D1 drill is not intended for ultra-heavy-duty industrial applications, but for general construction, maintenance, and DIY projects, it provides exceptional balance between size, power, and runtime. Professionals will appreciate the brushless motor and ergonomic handling, while DIY users benefit from its compact footprint and versatility. If you value a durable, high-performance drill that works seamlessly across multiple tasks and spaces, this is a strong choice. Approach your next project confidently, knowing this tool has been engineered for reliability and efficiency.